A client comes to our desk. He needs his new office space furnished. I make him a quote on the fly, and it doesn't matter if I'm using a computer, tablet, or phone. I just type the company's name and pick the right one from the list. Thanks to Odoo's connection with Dun & Bradstreet, all the details are filled in for me: address, tax ID, phone, and even the right tags. First, let's open up the catalog. I select the right category and pick all the items I need. These items are for the first area, the office space, so I'll just rename this section into office space and specify its size. And I'll do exactly the same for my second and third areas. And to make sure I've got everything I need, I just filter through my sections and review the items. Back on my quotation, everything is neatly organized. But let's tweak it even more. For the office space, I'll create two subsections: the open space and the individual space. Now I just have to drag the items to the right place. Next, I don't need the client to know the price of bolts, for example, so I'll just hide the price of the installation section. And I'll also hide the composition of the office supplies, because the detailed lines will just clutter the quote. But I'll write a note that includes the important elements. All that's left to do is add the shipping costs, which are calculated automatically based on my product's weight. Now let's print the quote and review it with my client. It's structured, clear, and tailored exactly the way I want. The client accepts our offer, and I generate a down payment of 20% and send him the link. On his customer portal, everything is well displayed, and he can confirm his down payment with his preferred payment method. And once it's done, the sales order is automatically confirmed, and his down payment has already been taken into account.